Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Windows 10 or 11 updated, and you have admin access so changes persist. Open Start, type Xbox Game Bar and press Enter to view the app page. Once done, enable the app toggle in Settings Gaming to allow overlays. You do this now because the OS must permit overlays and capture before configuring shortcuts. Make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. They directly affect capture stability and performance. Now you configure features and shortcuts so Game Bar behaves predictably. Open Settings Gaming Xbox Game Bar and toggle it on, then launch the overlay with Windows key plus G to access widgets. Once inside, customize keyboard shortcuts for Record, Screenshot, and the widget menu to suit your workflow. Next, open Captures to set background recording length, quality, and microphone options. This controls CPU/drive usage and privacy. Make sure to adjust audio. Finish by testing a short recording. Press Win plus Alt plus R for a 30-second clip and inspect video and audio to confirm settings. If quality or file size is wrong, return to Captures to change resolution, frame rate, and storage folder so you avoid disk space issues. Finally, if Game Bar fails to open or record, check privacy microphone and camera permissions, update GPU drivers, and ensure game mode or conflicting overlays are disabled. These steps resolve most common failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.